How do geographic hierarchies impact Census Bureau data? Have you ever wondered how the Census Bureau organizes its data? The way geographic hierarchies are structured plays a big role in how we access and understand demographic information. Let's break it down. Geographic hierarchies arrange Census Bureau data by nesting smaller geographic units within larger ones. This creates a clear framework that starts from the entire nation and goes all the way down to the smallest units, known as census blocks. This organization is essential for accurate demographic analysis across the United States. At the top of the hierarchy is the nation, which is divided into states. Each state contains counties, and within those counties, you will find census tracts. Census tracts are designed to include about 4,000 people and are meant to be similar in population characteristics. These tracts are then divided into block groups, which usually consist of 250 to 550 housing units. Finally, the smallest units are census blocks, often corresponding to city blocks. This structured nesting allows for consistent data organization and comparison across different geographic levels. For example, if you want to analyze data for a specific county, you can easily aggregate or break it down to the census tract or block level. The impact of geographic hierarchies on census data is significant. First, data availability varies by geographic level. Some surveys may only provide data at the county or tract level, while the decennial census can offer details down to the block level. This affects how much demographic information is accessible for your analysis. Next, consider comparability over time. Geographic boundaries can change every 10 years during the census. For instance, tracts may be split or merged based on population shifts. This means that when comparing data across decades, you need to be careful to account for these changes to avoid misleading conclusions. Another important factor is error rates and reliability. Geographic units that do not fit neatly into the hierarchy, like zip code tabulation areas or school districts, may have higher error rates in population estimates. The main geographic units, nation, state, county, tract, block group, and block, tend to provide more reliable data. The hierarchy also allows for data aggregation and analysis. Researchers and policymakers can combine data from smaller units into larger ones or analyze patterns at different geographic scales. This is vital for understanding demographic trends and making informed decisions about resource allocation and planning. Lastly, each geographic unit has a unique code known as geoID that reflects its position in the hierarchy. These codes are essential for organizing, sorting, and mapping census data effectively. In practical terms, understanding geographic hierarchies is key to accessing and interpreting Census Bureau data accurately. This structure enables analysts to examine population characteristics at various levels, from national to neighborhood scales. This supports a wide range of applications, including urban planning, public health initiatives, and educational resource distribution. So, the next time you look at demographic data, remember that geographic hierarchies are the backbone that organizes this information, making it easier to analyze and understand.